G'day everyone, Nathan here at Glass for Classics. Now, one question we get asked a lot is when you're putting your frames back together for your quarter vent windows, the easiest way to bend these tabs over on the back of these. Now, this applies to most GM production vehicles, many Fords are exactly the same. Basically, you've got these small tabs cast into the main rubber. Now, very straightforward. In here, you've got a series of small hollows that the tabs are going to fold over into. I find the easiest way is with a set of bullnose vice grips. Very simple, most of us have got them in the shed. So we're just going to sit this in place in here, line this up so it's sitting where it needs to be. And if we come over to the back side here, if I just line that up, so the tabs have obviously got to fold up, we're just going to put it on a 45-degree angle, squeeze and roll, work our way down. And they are now clamped, tighten that a little bit, and they're now clamped exactly in place where they need to be. And that is now held perfectly in place. So this applies to all GM production vehicles, many of the Holdens. This is often attached to the main quarter vent seal. They're not always separate like the Chevys and a few of the others have. If you've got any other questions, we can often supply a lot of your quarter vent rubbers, glass, setting tape that you need to fit the glass into the frames, etc. If you do have any questions, feel free to give us a quick call. Our number is 1300 442 000 or send us an email to enquiries@glassforclassics.com.au. Talk to you soon.